This is a 2019. Oops, 1 second. The flashlight's dying. See this guy right here? That's gonna be a 13. That's what holds the battery. Okay, I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the battery in this 2019 Jeep Compass. Okay, I'm gonna loose out first. Like I said, that's a 13. Pull that out. It's just a nut though. Okay. Now this is a strap right here. Just pull it up. Alright. We're not there yet. I'm gonna hit this guy right here at 10mm. It's a little bit though. Wiggle it. Alright, it's out. That's a positive one. Alright. Now I'm gonna do this one with the 10mm range. Gotta loosen it enough to remove it though. Alright. That's enough.
You see these 2 screws? I'm gonna remove that now. Alright. Good. So good.
Hey, I just want to say shout outs to my subscribers, viewers, fans, haters, family members. Community members. I'm gonna wiggle this. I'm probably gonna need 2 hands though, but I'm just gonna wiggle it like this. There you go. You saw that. Saw it. Saw it. Alright. I didn't do that. Nothing was there. Now if you need some space, do this so you can push it to the side. Now this thing, the strap, get it out of there. So a good cheap. Just so you have more leverage, you know what I'm saying? The cover first. Alright. Got the handle right here. Okay. Just like that, alright? looks like without the battery. Okay. Like I said before, you're gonna have to disconnect this too, which go right here. That's a 13. Alright. 13 millimeter socket for the nut that goes here. Okay. Just so you have more leverage. Alright. I'm gonna install this one, Interstate MT 47H5. Alright. It has the same dimensions and all that. When you get your battery, today is what? December 2nd. You're gonna have to mark this. December, right? Right here. So you mark this, peel it off. Okay. And it's second. 2. I'm just gonna put 2. Alright. You gotta mark it though, because in the future, when you, let's say the battery goes bad in a month, you have a warranty, 2 years warranty. It says right there. All right. So we just installed this. I'm gonna need my other hand. All right. I'm just gonna put it in there. I'm gonna put it in angle. All right. Maybe you can watch how I do it. Positive, gotta go. This is positive, negative. Alright. I'm putting angle. If I can. Like that. Okay. Hi. Just drop it in. Pop. I'm gonna remove this covers for the terminals. Okay. The cross is the positive. The minus is the negative, right? Now I'm gonna put the strap first. Before I put the strap, put the cover. Alright. Like, you might be asking, like, do I need to put the cover back? You don't need to though. It's okay if you forgot to put it back. It's just, but it could be better if you have it there, so it avoids the heat from the engine. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now get the strap, run it around. It would be better if put the strap back. Okay. There you go. Good. Grab the nut, the 13, put it there. You know what I'm saying? Tied it. Where's my 13 now? 1 second. I'm tied it now. Should be good. Alright. Now I'm gonna put everything back. Just like that. Pop. I'm gonna leave that for the end. there. This guy is in that hole. Okay. This is like safety thing. Okay. Make sure it's all the way down, or most of it. Now you're gonna put the screws back. The screw is gonna expand the plastic that I just went in that hole. It's gonna like create some it's gonna expand that plastic. It's gonna act like it's a lock, some type of safety. Alright. By the way, this is a 2019 Jeep Compass. Alright. There you go. Go, that's Gucci. Put this guy back like that. It doesn't matter which one goes on top. This is another 13. Just be careful when you use electric guns. They're strong. It could break out this. But we're good now, alright? I'm gonna tie that. Almost there. Okay, that's good. Oops. That's good. Now, negative, ground. Alright. Should be good. Looking like it's good. Here, 10 millimeter. Wiggle it just to make sure it's not like loose. Put this guy back. Gucci 2 times. Shake the battery just to make sure it's not like. Just to make sure the strap did its job to secure the battery. You don't want a battery that is shaking all the time. Alright, now I'm gonna start it. Everything should be Gucci by this time. Step on the brake, press the start button. Oh, the key fog. The key fog is like the battery is low, so there you go. Alright. And it's all Gucci now. Okay. Hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. So if you have a car from 2018 to 2021 Jeep Compass, this is what you should do if your car doesn't want to start, okay? You just need a battery, all right? And this is a second generation Jeep Compass between 2018 and 2021 without facelift, okay? So now you know how to change your battery in your car, in your Jeep Compass from 2018 to 2021. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. So Stool, it's me. You already know what time it is. Hello. I'm gonna leave it right here. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole planet, the entire world. Know what I'm saying? Greenland, Tokyo, Korea, Italy, French, Jamaica, Africa, Europe, China, all the planets. If I don't mention your all the planets, if I don't mention your country, you know I have you here. Know what I'm saying? If I didn't mention your country, put it in the comment box, okay? Say, don't forget about this country. Ukraine, Russia, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Chile, Venezuela, Mexico, Canada, the States, all that. You know where to find me. I'm Clacky Nawas to Burum. Nice to see you. Yeah.